Now, students, today's question number 10. In question 10, explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? आपको ये एक्सप्लेन करना है कि ये ट्रेपेजियम है, क्यों, रीजन आपको देना है और ये भी बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सी दो साइडें पैरेलल होंगी. So students, here question number 10. One trapezium like this here, and name KLMN. This is KLMN, and the angle measurement of angle M is 100 degrees. This angle is 100 degrees, and angle measurement L is 80 degree. 80 degree. Listen, students. If a transversal line intersect two parallel lines, the sum of interior angles will be supplementary. क्या लिखेंगे? If one transversal line intersect two parallel lines, then it will be 180 degree. Sum of interior angle. Sum of so angle N here, N M L plus angle M L K is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is 180 degree here. This is 100 plus this is 80. That is equal to 180 degree. This is 180 is equal to 180. So NM is parallel to KL. So NM is parallel to K, and so quadrilateral KLMN will be trapezium. Will be trapezium. Will be trapezium. So students, listen one more time. If two lines are parallel here, if two lines are parallel and one transversal line intersect them, the sum of interior angle of same side will be supplementary. This is the sum of interior angle. So here this is the two lines are parallel and this interior angle, same sides interior angle. First one interior angle is 100, another interior angle is 80. The sum is 180. This is supplementary. So the line will be parallel, and a quadrilateral, if two lines are parallel, the quadrilateral will be trapezium. This is the definition of trapezium. Is that clear? Now students, one more thing. Question number 11. Question number 11. Listen students, here find the measurement of angle C. In the following figure, AB is parallel to DC. Answer. अब ये हमारे पास जो है हमें C को मेजरमेंट हमें पता करना है. तो now students, here is a quadrilateral like this, like this, and name of quadrilateral is A, B, C, and D. This is a quadrilateral, and one angle B is equal to 120 120 degree. The angle B is equal to 120 degree. हमें क्या given है? Given angle B is equal to 120 degree. तो फाइंड करना है, क्या फाइंड करना है? Here measurement of angle C. हमें C एंगल को फाइंड करना है. We have to find the measurement of angle C. तो यहां पर फिर अगेन here and साथ में the AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So proof, solution. Listen students, sum of interior angle of same sides of transversal is 180 degree. That is a supplementary. Same side of interior angle, sum of same sides transversal interior angle is supplementary. Transversal is 180 degree, is यहाँ दिख रहा है is 180 degree. Listen students, so angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is equal to 120. Angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. That is a 60 degree is your required answer. Is that clear? Listen students. These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, and we know that according to this concept, if two lines are parallel and one transversal line intersect them, the sum of the interior angle of same side of transversal is supplementary degree 180 degree. Using this property in question number 10, using this property in question number 11, we have defined lines are parallel, we find angle measurement. So angle C. One query, Master Aditya Garg. Aditya Garg, ask your question बेटा.
सर आपने डिग्री नहीं लगा रखी है.
Yes बेटा.
सर आपने डिग्री नहीं लगा रखी.
डिग्री नहीं रखी. ओके, हमने डिग्री लगा रखी है बेटा क्योंकि विजिबिलिटी आपके कैमरे की उतनी अच्छी नहीं, रेजोल्यूशन नहीं है. यहाँ पर डॉट जो है दिख नहीं रहा है. थोड़ा मैं बड़ा कर देता हूँ ताकि स्पष्ट हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को दिखाई दे. इज दैट क्लियर?
ओके सर.
आप उसको मेंशन कर लेंगे. वन मोर थिंग, मास्टर ध्रुव राजपूत, आस्क यू क्वेश्चन बेटा.
सर तो जैसे डी और ए है, एंगल डी और ए दोनों सेम होंगे? ये
नहीं, बोथ आर नॉट सेम, बोथ आर सप्लीमेंट्री बेटा. बिकॉज़
नहीं सर, जैसे
एंगल डी एंड ए and B and C both are supplementary angles, both are interior angles of same side of transversal. If these two lines are parallel, one transversal line, these two lines are parallel, one transversal line, and for two interior here, two interior here, the sum of interior angle will be supplementary. So here these two angles A plus D is also 180 degree, B plus C is also 180 degree. Is that clear?
नहीं सर, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ अगर आ जाए क्वेश्चन में पूछने के लिए आ जाए कि एंगल ए की वैल्यू बताओ, तो जो एंगल सी है वही ए की वैल्यू होगी ना, अपोजिट एंगल के उसकी.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर जो एंगल अगर पूछने को आ जाए कि एंगल ए की वैल्यू क्या है, तो जो सी की वैल्यू है वही ए की वैल्यू होगी ना?
No beta, this is a trapezium, this is not a parallelogram. In trapezium opposite angles are not same. In parallelogram only opposite angles are same. Okay, so C not equal to A and B not equal to angle B. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
And one more query, Tejas Chaudhary, ask your question beta. Tejas Chaudhary.
Sir, so the property that both the two adjacent angles are supplementary. So sir, this property will also not work because it is not a parallelogram.
This property is only applicable where two lines are parallel. In parallelogram, this property is also applicable because two lines are parallel in a parallelogram. Only trapezium, only one pair is a parallel, not all pair. Okay, in trapezium, this is a trapezium. Only this line is parallel to this. This line is not parallel to this. But in parallelogram, this line is parallel to this line is parallel to this. So opposite angles are same, and sum of interior angle is supplementary. Okay.
Due to co-interior angles.
Co-interior angle.
Sir, consecutive angles.
Consecutive angle. Consecutive angles. Yes, consecutive angles property.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
सर एक बार बता दीजिए कॉन्सिक्यूटिव एंगल प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है?
Consecutive angle property. Here, one in a track है ये in a parallelogram. Listen, students. In parallelogram, this A, B, C, and D. Consecutive angles are A, comma B. Here D, comma angle C. Here angle C, comma angle B. Here angle B, comma angle A. Listen, students. According to this concept, these lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 plus 2 is also 180 degree. 2 plus 3 is also 180 degree. 3 plus 4 also 180 degree. 4 plus 1 is also 180 degree. This is a consecutive angle property. Consecutive क्रम से एक सीक्वेंस में दो एंगल आप ले लीजिए. इन पैरेललोग्राम में they are supplementary. A plus D is equal to 180 degree. D plus C is equal to 180 degree. C plus D is equal to 180 degree. And B plus A is 180 degree. This is a consecutive angle.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, students.
Sir,
yes, बोलो.
एक चीज और पूछनी थी.
हाँ. Yes.
सर जैसे सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में C और B की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए बोला गया है.
Yes.
तो सर अगर क्वेश्चन आए कि D और A की वैल्यू भी बतानी है तो फिर हम कैसे बताएंगे?
हाँ, listen students, we cannot find A and D. In trapezium, we know only one angle. So relation by relation of adjacent sum of interior angle only be find on angle C, not A and D. Okay?
Okay sir. अगर दो दिए होंगे तो बता सकते हैं.
दो अगर दिए होते तो यहाँ अगर ये एंगल मालूम होता तो हम D भी फाइंड कर सकते थे.
ओके सर.
मालूम होता तो A को भी हम फाइंड कर सकते थे. रिलेशन केवल इन दोनों में है, इन दोनों में है. इन दोनों में कोई रिलेशन नहीं. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because these two lines
Yes, sir.
are not parallel.
Yes sir.
Now students, question number 12. Here, in this question, find the measure of angle P and S if SP is parallel to RQ. The following figure, if you find angle R, so that more than one method to find the angle M measurement P. एक जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 12 नंबर, सर आपकी क्वेरी जो थी उस क्वेरी उस क्वेश्चन में और ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगी. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Here is a figure. Here this is a figure and here a line, one more line, and join this angle represented by square, and this angle is 130 degree. This angle is 130 degree. Name of vertices P. This is Q, R, and S. Listen, students. Here, SP is parallel to RQ. Given क्या है? Given SP is parallel to RQ. Listen, students. These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, and this angle represented by square. The measurement of this angle is 90 degree. If any angle represented by square, the measurement of the angle is 90 degree. So students, listen carefully. First, orally मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. These two lines are parallel. One transversal line intersect them. Then sum of interior angle of same side of transversal will be supplementary. if this angle is equal to 130 degree, so this angle is equal to 180 minus 130 degree. Okay, now students,
Yes, sir.
these two lines are parallel and angle R and angle S both are same sides angle, same side of transversal interior angle. So angle R is equal to 90 degree. So we find angle S. S is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. It is equal to 90 degree. So this angle
90
is 90
degree.
degree. This angle is also 90 degree. This angle is 130 degree, and this angle is equal to
50.
50 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
We have to find all the angle of this trapezium. So students, let's start to find. क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड द मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल P and S. एंगल P, एंगल S. We have to find angle P and S. यहां पर लिखेंगे फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन. Here students, if PS is parallel to QR, so angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Sum of interior angle, यहां लिखेंगे sum of interior angle of same sides transversal. Same side transversal. So friends, P, we have to find the measurement of P plus Q is given 130 degree and 180 degree. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. Okay, we find P. Now same, if PS is parallel to QR, so angle S plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. यहाँ पर sum of interior angle of same side. तो इसमें भी हम रही सेम प्रॉपर्टी एंड substituting the value of angle R, angle S plus 90 is equal to 180 degree, angle S equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degree. So angle P is equal to 50 and angle S is equal to 90 degree. These two are your required answer. एक बार और मैं अच्छे से समझा देता हूं, इसको ध्यान से समझिएगा. यदि कोई दो लाइन आपस में पैरेलल है और एक तिरछी लाइन उन दोनों को इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो बनने वाला सेम साइड का इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. हियर PS और RQ दोनों हमारे पैरेलल लाइन है, एक ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन इनको कट कर रही है, तो इनके बीच में जो दो इंटीरियर एंगल बनेंगे इनका सम 180 डिग्री होगा. 180 डिग्री में से 130 डिग्री को माइनस करेंगे, हमें 50 डिग्री एंगल मिल जाएगा. सेम प्रॉपर्टी का हम यूज करेंगे हियर. इफ एनी एंगल रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्क्वायर, if any angle represented by square, the angle measurement is 90 degree. This angle represented by square, so this angle is 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree of two supplementary angle, then another angle will be also 90 degree, because 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. Is that clear with that? So students, now next one, this exercise completed. And one more thing here, students, अब मैं थोड़ा सा there are only 23 participants are collected. Now students, some special parallelogram. अब थोड़ी हम चर्चा पैरेललोग्राम की करते हैं. Here some special parallelogram. This is the next topic. First is number 1, rhombus. What is rhombus? Rhombus क्या है? Here, now students, rhombus. Rhombus is a special type of quadrilateral. It has all sides are equal. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with side of equal length. Rhombus में here, this is a rhombus. This is a rhombus. Rhombus. Rhombus A, B, C, D. All sides of rhombus are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All sides are equal. The quadrilateral will be rhombus. All sides are equal property. One more property here, students. In a rhombus, the diagonal of rhombus is bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other are 90 degree. Perpendicular bisect करते हैं. So this property rhombus की चर्चा हो रही है अभी. Here this is a rhombus and this is A, B, C, D. Here this is diagonal, this is two diagonal O. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree, 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 and here AO is equal to OC or BO is equal to OD. Here angle आपका AOB is equal to 90, angle BOC is equal to 90, angle COD is equal to 90 और angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. ये जो हमारे पास सभी एंगल है, ये सभी एंगल कैसे होते हैं? 90 डिग्री के होते हैं. एंड साथ ही साथ AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. This is the property of rhombus. Rhombus, in a rhombus हम इस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करेंगे कहां पर? क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने में. कि rhombus कैसा rhombus होता है? rhombus एक स्पेशल टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल होता है जिसकी सभी साइडें आपस में बराबर होती हैं. rhombus के डायगोनल एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री पर बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, यानी कि दो बराबर भागों में बांटते हैं. rhombus एक स्पेशल टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल rhombus. Square is also rhombus. Square is also a rhombus and a rectangle is also parallelogram. Both are parallel. Rhombus is a parallelogram, square is a parallelogram, rectangle is also parallelogram. So these are parallelogram. One query, Master Tejas Chaudhary. Ask your question, beta. Yes.
Sir, so like trapezium rectangle is also a parallelogram.
Yes.
So then the property of parallelogram that opposite sides are equal.
Yes, yes.
So
all the property of parallelogram satisfy in rectangle. Opposite angle equal, opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel in a rectangle. Okay, and square is also parallelogram. Rhombus is also parallelogram. This is the kinds of special type of parallelogram. Is that clear?
yes.
ठीक है बेटा.
So sir, we can say that opposite angles of rectangle square are equal.
Opposite angle of square, opposite angle of rectangle, opposite angle of rhombus, opposite angle of parallelogram are equal.
Not trapezium, sir.
Parallelogram. they satisfy all the property of parallelogram. Okay.
And sir, trapezium does not satisfy.
Trapezium is not a parallelogram, beta. Only one
Okay,
pair.
sir.
Opposite only one pair parallel. Their angles are not equal. May be equal, but always not equal.
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए अपोजिट एंगल किस
trapezium. Students, every parallelogram is also trapezium because the property of trapezium satisfy in all type of parallelogram. Because only one pair we need.
Yes, sir.
But in parallelogram all pairs are parallel. तो trapeziums की property तो हमारी satisfy हो रही है ना. Parallelogram is also kinds of a trapezium. Parallelogram is also type of trapezium.
सर
Next. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए किस किस के अपोजिट एंगल इक्वल होते हैं.
बेटा उसे नोट करवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कई बार चीजें जो है ओरली बताने पर ना वो मिस हो जाती है और मैं अगर लिखवा दूंगा तो वो जो है ये अभी जितने भी मैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल की चर्चा कर रहा हूँ दे ऑल आर पैरेललोग्राम एंड द all the property of parallelogram satisfy in all type of special type of parallelogram. Okay, this is the rhombus. And one more thing, our next one is a rectangle. A rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a special type of parallelogram. The diagonals of rectangle are equal length and each angle 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. So students, here this is a rectangle. This is rectangle. This measurement A, B, and C and D. Each angle 90 degree. Each angle 90 degree. Each sides are equal and parallel. And diagonals are equal length. Diagonals are equal length. Students, here angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Okay, AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC and AB is equal to BC and AB is parallel to BC. This is the parallelogram and diagonal AC is equal to BD. Diagonals की लेंथ जो होती है रेक्टेंगल में क्या होती है इक्वल होती है. The length of diagonals of the length of diagonal of rectangle is equal. Okay, the property आपके पास यहाँ पर है. So here in this property the of diagonal of rectangle are equal. So this is the property of rectangle. So rectangle is the special type of parallelogram and diagonals are equal. Only square and rectangle has equal diagonal. Only square and rectangle have equal diagonal and no another quadrilateral. और किसी quadrilateral में diagonal हमारे equal नहीं होते हैं. Okay, so this is the property. And one more thing, a square. One more thing, a square. Next one is a square. What is square? Square and rhombus both are same. Now students, Tejas Chaudhary ask me a question, beta. Yes. This is A, B, and C and D. Here all sides are equal. यहाँ आपके पास AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree, and
Sir?
diagonals of square are equal. AC is equal to BD. This is the property. And diagonals of square are perpendicular bisector, because square is also a rhombus. Square and rhombus both are same, but in rhombus each angles are not equal. In square each angles are carry 90 degree. सभी के पास 90 डिग्री का एंगल होता है. So यहाँ भी यस बेटा बोलिए.
Sir, like sir, rectangles, angles, sir, rectangle diagonals are not perpendicular bisector to each other.
हाँ बेटा, only rhombus and square diagonals are perpendicular bisector, not in parallelogram, not in rectangle.
Sir, square is a tilted sir, rhombus is a tilted version of square,
हाँ, yes.
and rectangle is parallelogram.
Yes, rectangle. नहीं, these four are all are parallelogram. Rhombus, square, rectangle, parallelogram. They all are parallelogram. Okay.
But are of different types. But are of different types.
Yes, are different type. Okay, students.
Okay, sir.
How much time left? Listen, students. We have only 2 minutes. So, students, आप अपनी कॉपी को एक बार स्क्रीन पर ले आए. मैं देखना चाहता हूं कितने स्टूडेंट्स जो है अपना वर्क कर रहे हैं. यस, ध्रुव चौधरी, मृदुल, ध्रुव राजपूत, तेजस चौधरी. Only few students show your copy. The Priyanshu Joshi, okay, and Krishna Gupta, Mukul Pant's video of Surya Chaudhary
Can we
video
leave?
of, and Vans Rajput, Tanmay Melkani, Prashun, Jatin Singh, Gaurans Kumar. They all are. Yes, Akshay Varshne, Dhruv Chaudhary, Kapi Digai, Keshav Rastogi.
Can we
Okay.
leave?
And Vans Rajput, where is your copy? Sarthak Saran.
Can I leave?
Yes, beta. Okay. Thank you, students. Yes, Mukul Pant, मैंने आपकी कॉपी देख ली. Yes, केशव रस्तोगी. Yes, where is your copy? Yes, thank you. Okay. Yes, thank you, केशव. मैंने आपकी कॉपी देख ली. Thank you, students.